In the past 2 years on Etsy, I have brought over 200,000 visitors to my Etsy store, and in this video today, I'm going to tell you guys how I did that, and I will give you 3 different strategies on how to bring traffic to your Etsy stores, and they're really easy and simple, but a lot of people don't know the simple steps to bring more traffic to your Etsy store. So we are going to get into that, but before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, I do offer a free Etsy and print-on-demand crash course. You guys can sign up for that below, and we will get straight into this video, guys. So there are 3 specific ways that I did it again, guys. If there's any OG POD friends watching this, and some of you who have been with me since I've had less than 1,000 subscribers on YouTube know exactly what this means. And if you do, comment down below that you're an OG POD friend. But besides that, we're gonna continue here. So there are 3 different types of ways that you can bring traffic into your Etsy store for free. That's right, guys, for free. You do not need to pay for traffic. And especially if you have a Etsy and print-on-demand store, do not pay for traffic. Even if you have an Etsy store without print-on-demand and it's just a handmade business, I would highly suggest not paying for traffic, because I do think that with Etsy, you don't need to pay for that. You can get free traffic in so many other ways, and a lot of people who are Etsy business owners usually have low startup budgets, or they are trying to save on money, and of course you want to see profit at the end of the day, and you do not need to pay for ads to get profit. My last year on Etsy, I have not spent any money on ads besides trying and trialing Etsy ads, which honestly haven't gotten me great results, and I would not suggest that. I would suggest going the organic traffic route, and it's the easiest way and the most basically automated and passive way to get traffic to your Etsy store with you not really having to do much in the process. So guys, the first way to bring free organic traffic to your Etsy stores is as simple as opening up social media accounts and going on social media, trying to get that high engagement audience as you go along with your social media accounts. So some of my favorite social media platforms are Instagram, Facebook, and then also I love TikTok. TikTok, let me tell you guys, is the best place you can possibly go as a new business right now. And if you're not using TikTok, you better get yourself on there right now, because you're going to miss the window of opportunity of really growing your business and your followers, your engagement with your followers in this time period. TikTok is in its growth phase as far as social media platforms go, and anyone who is new to TikTok can really grow in the TikTok algorithm, because TikTok is not based upon followers. A lot of the times, if you post your content, it's going to show to new people, which means that you can get new customers through TikTok. So I can't stress enough to go to TikTok. My second suggestion to go to is going on Facebook groups. By me posting on these Facebook groups, I was able to bring in over 2,000 visitors to my Etsy store, and over time, Etsy rewarded me in return by bringing in their own organic traffic to my Etsy store by recommending my listings to other customers and my items showing up on the Etsy homepage as well. And I can't stress enough how great Facebook groups are. These are high engagement groups. Generally, these groups have over 2,000 members in them. You can find groups over 10,000 members. And again, these are just such high engagement audiences to get your products out there in front of potential buyers. So the third best platform I can recommend to go on is Instagram. And even by posting 1 or 2 of your mock-up images that you use on Etsy onto Instagram, you can really get a lot of new customers just by doing that and making sure that you are using all 30 hashtags on Instagram. I can't stress enough how great Instagram is as far as that goes to really gain a following and a loyal customer base that can turn into return customers and people maybe tagging you on Instagram wearing your your products or promoting your products for you. And again, that's just free organic traffic to your Etsy store. So the second strategy to really bring in that organic free traffic is as simple as email marketing. And you can collect emails just by posting your email sign up links and offering coupons to your potential Etsy store customers. Maybe that could be on your new Instagram profile you made. Maybe that could be on TikTok or Facebook groups. And then on top of that, you can put that on your Etsy store, just offer a discount for signing up to your email list, and people can go on, sign up for your email, and then you can send promotional offers to whenever you have maybe a flash sale on your Etsy store or anything like that. This can really attract customers and bring customers back to your Etsy store over and over and over again. And that's something that you want, especially as an Etsy store. And if you ever decide to go from Etsy to your own website, that is so easy to do now that you have your own customer base and people that really like your products. So some of my best suggestions as far as email marketing go is definitely MailChimp. MailChimp is my favorite email provider as far as connecting to Etsy. Along with that, you guys can do ConvertKit, which is another really great and more advanced email marketing system, especially if you have different niches that you are selling to on your Etsy store. So for example, if you have mom niche t-shirts and teacher t-shirts, if you're promoting your products and sending the same email to the mom group and the teacher group, then those customers might get a little bit confused. They may not end up purchasing. So with ConvertKit, you can actually separate your types of customers depending on what type of email sign up they do, such as the mom niche. On your mom niche products, you can say, hey, you can get a 10% off discount if you sign up for my email list. When people sign up underneath that link, they will be categorized as a mom niche, and then you can send them promotional offers specifically maybe geared towards Mother's Day, maybe mom gifts, things like that. So that's why ConvertKit is more advanced and really great for that type of specialized email marketing. The other option as far as that goes is also Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a really great email marketing site. However, that connects specifically to Shopify. There are ways to integrate this with Etsy, but in general, usually it's best for Shopify. And again, it's advanced the same as ConvertKit, and you can really do the same thing with categorizing your types of customers and giving them specialized email marketing directed for them. The third thing that you want to do to bring traffic into your Etsy store without paying for ads is utilizing good SEO. SEO is search engine optimization, and this is what will bring in customers organically to your website, maybe your Etsy store. And specifically, you really want to heavily focus on your SEO with your Etsy store. A lot of the times, Etsy is primarily focused on having great keywords that will help customers find you. So if you don't have keywords for people's specific search criteria, people are just not going to find you. So some of the tips I have for creating great SEO is, first of all, using long tail keyword phrases and short tail keyword phrases. So long tail keyword phrases are 3+ keywords in one phrase. For example, this would be future art teacher t-shirt if you were trying to sell t-shirts to the teaching niche. And this is a great phrase because this is something most likely someone is searching for a future art teacher graduate. And again, that's why it's really great to use long tail and short tail keyword phrases. So a short tail keyword phrase would be art teacher t-shirt. So generally short tail keyword phrases are 3 words or less. And again, this is just another really great way to bring traffic into your website because these are phrases people may be searching for when they go to Etsy or maybe to the Google search. The other method I use with good SEO optimization is by using your product keywords in the title or tags of each product you create. So for example, if you're selling t-shirts or mugs, you want to make sure that you indicate in your tags and title that this is a mug versus a t-shirt. And I would not use random product types in your tags or titles because this can confuse customers and also confuse the Etsy algorithm to think that you're selling one product that you aren't selling. And Etsy will rank your items based on relevancy. So if your items are not relevant relevant to someone's search criteria, then they will not click on it and ultimately buy your item, which gives you negative points in the Etsy algorithm ranking system, and your item ultimately will show up on the last page of the search or somewhere people just won't find you. There are hundreds of pages in the Etsy search now, and if you are even on the third or fourth page, a lot of people won't generally go that far in the Etsy search. So my third method to increase your SEO on Etsy would just to utilize all 13 tags that you can on your product listings. And essentially you just want to use the same keywords that you used in the title, the same as your tags. So this will increase your visibility on the Etsy search when people are searching for your specific product. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment down below if any questions that you may have, and don't forget to stick around for my blooper reel here. I will see you guys in the next video. If you were trying to sell t-shirts, brain not working today. Brain is not working.